It is located in Ethiopia.
The latitude and longitude is 13.6 degrees north and 40.7 degrees east. It is formed by a diverging boundary and a hot spot.
It is a shield volcano.
It is an isolated basaltic shield volcano.
It has gone through 7 eruptions in the past 125 years. It's constantly active. Erda Ale produces gases, for example, H2O, CO2, and 2.
Erda Ale has not had pyroclastic flow or surges recently. According to a news report, after a magnitude 4.3 earthquake on October 4th, an eruption occurred at Erda Ale. Erda Ale has domes. Monitoring volcanoes requires scientists to use many techniques. 9 people were injured/killed by Erda Ale.